Hello everybody, welcome to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're going to talk about experimenting with the different types of items that you offer.
So it's good to take an experiment with the type of products or the items that you're offering. Now I'm tailoring, I am a blacksmith, and so therefore I'm always trying to be creative and figuring it out. And if you're an artist yourself, this is something that you need to take and do, is experiment as an artist in the different type of things that you like to do. Not everything is going to work, and not everything will sell. Stuff that you like, your customers may not. Things that you dislike, your customers may love. And so this is where the experimentation comes in. And then, you also need to experiment in other type of items as well.
Yeah, sometimes you'll see that you may make several items that are similar, and one may do better than some of the other ones. So for example, if you made a keychain with a heart on it versus a swirly one, and the heart one does better, that can help you see, okay, maybe I should try making a few other items with a heart on it and see how they do.
Yeah, and a lot of times you'll find whenever you start experimenting, you may find that little nugget of gold, that little niche market that maybe is left untapped out there. And yes, there's still a lot out there. You might just speak to a specific customer group, and then they just start flying off the shelves. So that's why experimentation is very important. We have found this to be true whenever we experimented with my copper work and things of that nature. And, we have found that anniversaries and stuff, that's a kind of a big seller. Wedding seasons, there's actually seasons for artwork as well. Fall, winter, summer, and different things like that. So that's something that you would not find otherwise unless you had experimented with it.
And there's so many, a range of things you can experiment with. Finishes, you can try different finishes that you put on your metalwork. You could try working with different materials, copper, stainless steel, brass, bronze, some of the different varieties of metals out there. You can try experimenting with the complexity of items you offer. You can offer everything from items that are simple to forge to items that perhaps consist of multiple pieces or are more complex in design.
Yeah. And, and the fun part about this is this really builds your abilities to look at products or look at potential projects that you're looking to market to your customers. And you get to look at a whole lot of different things that otherwise you wouldn't have before. And it really makes you more well-rounded as a business individual to where you can keep your business going even in the dry times when those things take and, dry up. So that's going to be it for this 3 Minutes at 3.
Thank you for joining us.
Yep. Thank you all for joining us. And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.
Bye.